Hey, what's up, folks? Michael here with Primal. I've got a little quick tip for you based off of what I was doing in the last video. As you may or may not know, I'm working on a couple of axe heads, one for a client, one for myself, and repairing an old hammer here. In the last video, you saw me get this thing ready, and I'm doing some polishing around here. And I saw a quick tip opportunity here, and I wanted to go ahead and show it to you guys. So let's say you want to do some sanding, right? I've got just some 3M 400 sandpaper here, wet or dry, doesn't really matter. And let's say I want to go in and do some work, some hard work for this flimsy sandpaper. This will tear real easy, and it's not really that stable. Take the sandpaper, lay it down flat, get you some gaffer tape, duct tape, Gorilla tape. I just happen to have some Gorilla tape here. Pull it out, come in here, set it up like that, get another length of it, and set it like here. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's not meant to be perfect. Then you can take a ruler and a knife or razor blade or whatever you got. Go ahead and cut it to length. Get rid of that extra. Come over here. Again, trim off the excess. And now you've created a piece of tape, a piece of sandpaper that's really sturdy. And I take it and I'll come over here. I need to get some of this excess off. So give me a second. I don't like the sticky. Okay. And you'll come in here, and I could create various thicknesses. I can go in and do maybe, what is this, about a ½ inch, something like that. I can come in here and do maybe an inch. And then these two are pretty decent. I'll go ahead and make this one another inch, roughly. Now, you've got these lengths of tape that are perfect. They stay together nice and tight. They're still waterproof. And you can use this fine stuff right here. I don't have... Let's pretend this is a vise for the sake of this discussion. You have this clamped in a vise hanging over the edge. You can take this and absolutely get in here perfectly. If you want to get something a little bit wider to get right here, you can do that as well. Whatever it is, this is now a very sturdy piece of paper. Even if you have to use it by hand, you can still get in here and really work it very well, and the paper's not going to rip on you, tear on you, or fall apart. Just a little quick tip for you to start the new year off. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to stay subscribed and like this video if you like the tip. This Saturday, the Kyoku knife video is coming out, and you guys are not going to want to miss it. Hope you all have a great day. I'll see you soon.